hindi pa rin nagbabago ang mundo. Pareho pa rin ang mundo katulad ng kinagisnan noong unang panahon ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo. People are still possessed, probably not by devil anymore, but by greed, hatred, and indifference. People are still mute, pipe, hindi makapagsalita, unable or afraid to tell the truth. People are still blind to injustice, to suffering, even to their own need for healing. But this gospel is not just about the problem. It's about God's compassion for our brokenness and His invitation to share in His mission. Jesus doesn't just heal, because after every healing that He does, He also sends those whom He healed. Sa tuwing magpapagaling si Jesus sa Ebanghelyo, lagi itong may kaakibat na misyon. Misyon na ipagpatuloy at ibahagi ang natanggap na pagmamahal at awa ng Panginoon sa ibang tao at sa mundo.